Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox resolution. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox resolution, you should just go to settings and you click. After that, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to this window of Roblox and you will enter. Then in this list of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. You can uninstall your application and you can install your application again to fix all your problem that you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.